Hey, what's up you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name still remains Oboypapi. Today's video is about how to make money on YouTube. I'm going to give you the top 4 methods you can use to make money using the platform called YouTube. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. Don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit the like button. Also, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back.
Looking for the best.
Once again guys, so I guess you've been wondering if it's possible to make money on YouTube. Actually, the answer is yes. It's possible to make a significant income from YouTube as a content creator. Well, I might say it's not the easiest either. YouTube is half the internet, that is 1.9 billion users logging in every single month. But at the same time, 500 hours of videos are uploaded to the site every single minute across the world. Well, numbers don't lie, therefore the competition is pretty intense, and making a lot of money on YouTube becomes more challenging. Well, there are some powerful strategies you can employ to jumpstart your earning potential from YouTube. Now let's start from you becoming a YouTube partner. Let me break this down. Advertisers pays YouTube, and YouTube pays content creators for advertising the service on their videos. I guess you are confused. Let me put this in a short story. Vodafone contacts YouTube and pays them $100 for advertisement. Now, YouTube will put the advert on my videos and I get paid 55% of the money, while YouTube keeps 45%, meaning YouTube becomes the middleman between me and Vodafone. Ad revenue is the most obvious way to make money on YouTube, but it's not the only way, or to be honest, the best way. As a YouTube partner, you make money in different ways. You can make money from ads from before your videos or channel memberships and so many more. However, there are some ground rules you need to observe before becoming a certified YouTube partner. You are required to have a total of 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel in the last 12 months. Well, there is no concrete timeline or format to get these 4,000 watch hours. You can get 100 hours each on 40 videos or any combination to get your total 4,000 watch hours. After successfully achieving the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours threshold and winning your place as a YouTube partner, you can now start earning from adverts or ads that they put on your video. Check the video description. I have a link to a video that will show you step by step how to monetize your YouTube channel after getting this threshold or the 1,000 or 4,000 watch hours required. Now let's move to the second method of making money on YouTube. The second method is to sell your own merchandise. Maybe you identify as a content creator first and also entrepreneur second. Just remember that even Drake sells t-shirts. Either way, merchandise is a viable way to earn money from YouTube. Sell merchandise, t-shirts and physical product linked to an e-commerce platform like Shopify and many more. Merchandise for your channel is meant to both represent and feed your audience connection with you. That means your merch should be unique. In most cases, you need a manufacturer, supplier or wholesaler to make and deliver your product. Some suppliers will deliver it to you and some will spare you the headache of inventory, ship and returns by handling it themselves. You can promote your product in your videos. This is where your charms comes in. Wear or use your merch in your videos. Future viewers who have bought and are using the product. We are going to discuss other 2 methods which you can use to make money on YouTube. I'm going to leave that to my brother Derek, another YouTuber. Trust me, you are going to love this guy because he got amazing content on his channel that you need to check it out. Search for Titbytz, that is which is spelled Titbytz. Make sure you subscribe to his channel if you're looking out to learn more stuff on the internet.
Derek from Titbytz, and then thanks to Oboypapi for hosting me on this video. So I just want to throw a bit of light on how you can make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. So basically, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is, for instance, me owning a company and then maybe someone signs up to my website and then pick up my links of products I have on my website and then share it to any website or any group, and then someone just buys the products the person shared with the link, I'm going to give the person a percentage. I think that is basically how affiliate marketing is. So you can just go to someone's website, you can go to an affiliate marketing website and then pick a link from there. You share it to anywhere you feel like you want to share it, but you make sure you don't spam people's websites and pages, else you're just going to delete the post or block it. There are lots of affiliate marketing you guys can just check out. I'm going to show you guys in a blink of an eye. So we have ClickBank, which is very, very cool. You can share products, you can promote products on ClickBank, and I'm going to show you how you're going to create an account with ClickBank, because there are a lot of complications with this one. Because if you are in Africa, let's say Ghana, Nigeria, and then you create a ClickBank account, sometimes they do block it, and I'm going to show you with some tips, a strategy, how you're going to make it work for you. So there's another one I want to share with you guys, that is Amazon Associates, which is very, very cool. So with Amazon Associates, when you pick up a link from Amazon Associates and then you share it on your website or your YouTube channel or on a page or something, and then someone even takes your link and then purchase a different thing, not what product you even shared on your page, the person uses a different link to purchase something on the website, you're going to get a commission of it. It's not even the product you shared, but even if the person buys any other random thing, you still make some money off whatever the person bought, and that is cool with Amazon Associates. And then the last one I want to share with you guys today is TubeBuddy. Seriously, if you're a YouTuber, you are starting YouTube today, or you want to start any YouTube channel anytime soon, I think you need to start with TubeBuddy. And we're going to leave our links in the description. You just start an affiliate marketing with TubeBuddy and then you're good to go. Anyone who sign up with your link on TubeBuddy, you get a commission too, and I think that is basically cool with TubeBuddy. And every YouTuber, I think about, let's say in the world, I think about 50% of YouTubers uses TubeBuddy, and then others also use vidIQ, but vidIQ don't have affiliate programs. So I think TubeBuddy is one you just need to have your eyes on, so that you can install for free, and then yeah, you just use it. So we are going to leave the link in the description so that you just hit on it and then you install it, and then it's going to help you with tags that are going to help you blow up on YouTube. So I think these are the affiliate programs I'm going to share with you. But if you want to know more, you can come to my channel and then you ask about whatever questions you feel like you want to ask, or we're going to leave the link in the description, and then you hit on it and then you just come to my channel, subscribe to the channel, and then you make sure you just watch the videos. And if you find any difficulties, you just let me know. And yeah, if you hit on Oboypapi too, he's just going to direct you to me, and then everything is going to be sorted. So the next thing I want to share with you guys is brand deals. That is one sweet thing that happened to anyone on YouTube. You might be there and then maybe you might be on YouTube and you think no one is watching. A lot of people are watching you, seriously. So whatever you do on YouTube, you need to take it very, very serious. People are watching you on YouTube. So let's say I talk about mobile phones every day on my channel. I started with 0 subscribers and then 0 watch hours, and I've been talking about mobile phones every day on my channel. Okay, so I do unboxing. Let's say I unboxed the Nokia 3310 Samsung S20. You see, they will be watching you. So there's gonna be one day a phone company or whatever, they will just come at you and be like, I want you to just advertise this on your channel. And it's gonna be like maybe in a form of talking like, oh, okay, so there's this phone, if you use this, and seriously, that is gonna make you lots of money. Seriously, that is gonna make you some huge money. So whatever you do on your channel, you need to take it very, very serious. I know a lot of people who are crashing up on this, because those girls who do this makeup thing, they get a lot of brand deals, and people are just going to them, making them promote their products, and they are just making tons of money with it. So whatever you do, you start with your YouTube channel, you take it very, very serious so that it pays off in future. So I thank you for hosting me. I thank you for everybody who has been able to listen to me, and then keep watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like this video and share it to anyone, because this is a great tip you're not going to get from anywhere. We are just going to produce, or we are just going to give it to you for free. Are you getting it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. The link is in the description. Hop on my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to drop a very cool video that's going to help you, shape you, make you grow on YouTube, make you make money online. And yeah, so I'm going to catch you on my channel, and then peace.
I've been feeling lonely, I've been feeling, staring at the pictures on the walls. Every time I see you with some other